Hi guys, this is Sanjay. Today we will discuss about the corruption. How this corruption vanishing us. Has India become a more corrupted country? Why does a few defaulter person run away from our country? What is mean by corruption? Cor- I want to say that I want like corruption is like a cancer. It is vanishing us day by day, steadily. Why? Because of the few of people and everyone Indian citizen. We are responsible for this. Why? Because we are not asking or question to our department or employee. Government employee is responsible for us. Bank is responsible for us. We have a right to information to ask or question to our country's most important banking is RBI. We have right to ask or question to our RBI, right? Reserve Bank of India. There are the lots of questions arising today. First one question is the is our country scam country? Is our bank is the bankrupt? Why bribery is the main arising in this situation? So there are the lots of questions. This cancer means corruption is vanishing us. What is mean by vanishing us? Why these people are didn't understand our rights? Everyone has the rights to ask our question. There are lots of scam has done in our India. Since 2010, India faces lots of problem. Commonwealth Games scam, coal scams, Karnataka scams, money for vote scam. What is happening in India? Scamming, corruptions, bribery, hunger. What is the problem for us? Why we are not able to handle this situation? According to the report of Global Corruptions Index, we are at the position of 86 out of 1 entry. Means we are in dangerous. Last time I have said that in hunger index also we are in very dangerous, where we are surviving. We are not happy. We are not well educated. We didn't have the proper education. What is this happening in our society, in our India? We are saying that we are developed, we are going to develop, but it's a myth. If the corruptions present up to that, we are not developed. We will not develop our country. We should have the proper and transparency in our society, in our work, government work. We are everywhere go to, you should go everywhere, you will face the corruption. There are the lots of people. According to the report of Transparency International, he 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 says that more than 62% of Indian people has gives money, bribe to done work there. Means it's a very awful and awful situation. For example, building houses in the national health, rural health schemes, Manrega schemes, Pradhan Mantri Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana scheme. There are also the corruptions. It start from the sarpanch to the it goes to up to the highest level of the leaders or corrupt leaders. Didn't ask their question. We are elected them, and they are corrupting our country. They loot money from us. They only the helping the few people, just like the Nirav Modi, Choksi, Nirav Modi, Malia. What is happening? Thousands of crore. Nirav Modi took thousands of crore, 11,000 crore from us, and he ran away to the England. What is happening? What is our government doing? Is any plan? Everyone has a right to ask our question. Otherwise, we will vanish our country. We will not be a developed country. We should ask our question. So, guys, every one time you should ask our question. Then only we will be free from corruption.